Hi, everybody. Welcome to Creative Pouring. I'm Cheryl. Today, I'm going to make my husband another wedding ring. I made him one a while back, but he has lost it. So it fell off his hand. It became too big for his hand. So I'm making him another one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a little bit of UV resin in here. And I've got this Resiners, sorry about that. I've got this Resiners laser silver glitter, and that's what I'm going to put in this channel here. I just bought these rings off of Amazon. They're not that expensive, but I'm going to do this glitter, and I'm making it kind of thick so it'll look pretty. And this is not getting any out of there, so let me do it the other way. I want to make this glitter very thick so that it'll stick a little bit better on the ring. Let me use this and stir it up real good. There's this UV resin has glitter in it, but it's not so thick that you can't see through it, so you can cure it completely. I've got this on a ring turner. It's actually a cup turner that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I just put some silicone underneath it so it made the size so that I could put it on there and it can go around in a circle like that. So you just take it, and I'm going to put a dot every so often so that it will blend in together. You don't want it on that. When you're doing this, you got to be real careful and get in that chamber and not on the edges. I'm just making him, like I said, it's just a glitter ring. You can use your gloves if you feel like you need to. I just have a paper towel over here that I'm wiping my hand off on. I'm actually not allergic to it, so makes life a little easier for me. Well, I'm going to let you watch me. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward. All right, that is cured. Let me get my little scry. And it's cured completely. And it's up to the edges. So what I'm going to do now, I thought about doing a second layer, but that layer looks really good. So I'm just going to take my resin, my UV resin, and I'm going to pour it on here. Anytime you're making a ring, you really should have a turn thing because it will keep it on there and make it more, it'll keep it together. It won't make it drip like it did just now. It's not going as fast as it should. Go ahead, get that bubble off the bottom. All right, I'm going to go ahead and cure that. It's mostly even. Let me go ahead and cure it. I'm just dripping a couple drips on there and just spreading it out. Because you can see it from the top. If you look right here, you see how it's got that little divot in there? I don't want it to have that divot. That's looking a lot better. What you think? Okay, I'm going to cure it one last time. Oops. But I asked my husband what color he wanted the glitter to be. He said silver, so there it is. Okay, let me cure this one last time. That looks so pretty. I'm going to let it cure for a couple more, five more minutes. And then it'll be ready. And I will get some pictures of it along with, set you right there. These little butterflies are so cute. This was my leftover UV resin that I had. I just put them in my butterfly mold. I figured, why not? Well, I'll get some pictures of the ring and the butterflies. And this is a total mess right here. Forgive it, please. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this pour as much as I did. I really did. I put a lot of love into that ring. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and if you have any more hypes and you want to, please give me a hype. And if you want to support my channel, go ahead and join as a YouTube member. I have 2 tiers, so I have something for everyone. I just want you to know that every single one of you means the world to me. Until next time, keep creating, keep pouring. Bye for now.